Hello guys, welcome to Home Life. Today let's see how to calculate a dimension of a plot which is uneven. Usually irregular side dimensions calculation will be too difficult. But today with a simple concept I will teach you how to calculate your plot area with uneven or irregular size. So this is a real example we had. So one side we have 40 feet, from here to here is 40, and from here to here it is 30 feet, and the opposite side is also 30 feet, and the road side is actually 15 feet. So this is not a rectangle or a square, so we cannot calculate by length into breadth. So what we need to do is we need to just simply convert into two halves by a cross line from one point to the opposite point. Now we got two triangles which is of different size. We can calculate the area of a triangle and add the both areas, and we'll get the actual area of a full plot. Now let's calculate the area of a triangle. The formula is area is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now what is this s? How do we get the measurement of this s, of the or the exact number of s? So there is one more formula to calculate the s number. So s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. So for triangle we have three sides, so a side, b side and c side. So we can simply add the three numbers and we can divide by 2. So by this we will get the number of s, and that number we can use to calculate the area. So now first let's start with triangle 1. So we can get the triangle s value for the number 1. S is equal to 40 plus 30 plus 36.5 divided by 2. This is a real plot. So when we measure the dimensions of four sides, we also made sure that from one point to opposite point we have measured, and the actual value is 36.5. You can measure it in your plot, the diagonal points, and mark the point. So now you can see one side is 40 feet, another side is 30 feet, and another side of the triangle is 36.5 feet. So these 3 points we used it here: 40 feet plus 30 feet plus 36.5 feet divided by 2. That is 40 plus 30 is 70, right? 106.5 divided by 2. So after we divide, we'll get 53.25. So this is the s value. So s value is 53.25. Now we can calculate the area of this first triangle. Area is equal to square root of s. S is 53.25 into s minus a is 53.25 minus 40 into 53.25 minus 30 into 53.25 minus 36.5. What we'll get is 53.25. We'll subtract the numbers inside the bracket. There is 13.25 into 23.25 into 16.75. When we multiply all these numbers, we will be getting 2,74,772.49. When we multiply, we get this number, and we need to find out the square root of this number to get the area of the triangle. When we find the square root, this is what we get, 524.18. So this is the area of first triangle in square feet. So the first triangle, that is this triangle, we got the square feet. So that is this, and now let's calculate for second triangle. So we need to calculate S value for the second triangle. The first number is 30, and the second number is 15, and the third number is this, again this same length for the another triangle, divided by 2. So what we get is, when we add these three numbers, we get 81.5 divided by 2, that is 40.75. This is the S number for second triangle. Now calculate the area for second triangle. So the area's formula we know. So square root of S value is 40.75 into 40.75 minus 30, the same 40.75 minus 15, 40.75 minus 36.5. What we get is 40.75 into 10.75 and 25.75 to 4.25. So we need to multiply all these four numbers, and the number what we get is 47,940.46. So this is the number we are getting. We need to find out the square root of this number, that is 218.95 square feet. So now we got the first triangle square feet and the area of second triangle in square feet. Now we can simply add these two things to get the full, because the first triangle area we got it and the second triangle area also we got. Let's add this first and second number. When we add, we get 743.13 square feet. Now this is the square feet area dimension area for the actual plot. So first triangle we got 524.18 square feet, and the second triangle we got 218.95 square feet. When we add both the triangles, we'll get the full measurement of both the triangles and the complete plot, that is 743.13 square feet. thank you for watching Home Life. Please do subscribe, and if you like the video, please like the video, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments if you have any clarification. Thank you for watching.